माझा कॅमेरा बंद. माझा कॅमेरा बंद झाला, मार्क होईल.
Was not that great, and he's a brilliant actor, as Tiger said. He's a great actor, he's an all-rounder, so thanks to him, whatever you'll see in the film, my performance, whatever has come out, I feel, I've not done many films, but I feel this is my best performance, and all because of him, because he has actually, forced me to bring the best out of me.
Thank you, Disha.
Disha, I have a question.
Could I just add something to
Yes, please.
For Disha? She's ये action का कोई Thank you.
अबे सवाल का जवाब देना स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया.
Yes, exactly. No, honestly, ये जो ट्रेलर में जो एक्शन था, इसका कोई मकसद नहीं होता अगर दिशा नहीं होती इस फिल्म में. Because at the end of the day, he's a rebel for love, and the rebels for love. So I mean, in the core of the film, the story, it's a love story. The action is just a decoration, and I promise you that in this film.
Okay. So the question I wanted to ask Disha. Okay. Let's start with ये क्वेश्चन पहले ओपन है. ये जो आप पागलपन देख रहे हैं इन दो नाम के लिए, टाइगर दिशा, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम दे कमिंग ऑन स्क्रीन टुगेदर. Whose idea was it?
I would love to take the
Credit?
but it's one and only man, my elder brother, Mr. Sajid Nadelwala. That's it.
Thank you, Mamad. They have shot this action like a scene, yeah? 7 o'clock in the morning to 7 o'clock in the evening. No going back to the van, finishing the climax in about 7-8 days. It's difficult, it's impossible what you all have done. And they were in Thailand, he's gone for training with bruises, cuts. So we'll take the credit, but it all goes to the team.
Thank you.
Lovely. Okay, I think थोड़ा सा फिर से आप लोगों को एक रिवाइंड देना पड़ेगा. Can we have that screaming again for both of them? Okay. Now, Tiger and Disha, please react to this. What are you feeling? We were talking there also. Even you couldn't hear anything when the trailer was on, right? So please, बताएं. How's this love?
सबसे पहले तो नमस्ते, नमस्कार, जय हिंद. I want to thank all you guys for all the love. Even before you saw our trailer, this was the energy. So, already that environment was created. So thank you for making our trailer a hit already. Both of us love you very much. All of us here on the stage love you very much. And we make films like this only so we can entertain you all. So thank you so much. We love you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for coming here and giving us so much love. Like, whatever work we have done in the film, you know, it just feels like it's worth it because of you guys. When you come, you cheer for us. It feels so good. And we love you so much.
अहमद सर, अब मैं वापस आने वाला हूँ उस एक सवाल पे जो मैं पूछना चाहता था. फ्रॉम द टाइम आई हैव नोन टाइगर, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम मीटिंग हिम इन पर्सन आफ्टर ही इज कट हिज हेयर एंड ही इज बल्ड अप अ लिटिल. तो ये तो आपने ही बोला होगा कि शायद यार फिल्म जिस तरीके से हम माउंट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बाल काटने पड़ेंगे. एंड आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, टाइगर वाज इन लव विद हिज हेयर. टाइगर अपने लंबे बालों के साथ इश्क में था. एंड देन आपने बोला टाइगर को कि बाल काटने हैं. ए, डू यू लाइक टाइगर्स न्यू लुक? देयर यू गो. सो ये मतलब आप ही ने डिसाइड किया होगा सर, इसके बारे में बताएं. और कितना टाइम लगा आपको कन्विंस करने में टाइगर को कि बाल कटवाओ? ये बात नहीं करने देंगे.
म्यूट.
अरे भाई शांति, 2 मिनट बात तो करने दो.
आफ्टर ऑल दे आर बागीज ना. सब बागी है.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for all the love. But let's hear Ahmed sir speak for a bit, okay? And I promise you I'll come take a picture with all of you after this, okay?
खत्म हो गया. That's it.
Only if you're silent for now.
Okay, guys, you want a picture? Sir,
We all knew that Tiger loves his hair. He loves his dancing. He loves his acrobatia. But at the same time, we wanted to do something new. So क्या नहीं करे? Then we did a photo shoot, and it was with his long hair. We made him look two different things. But then Sajid bhai called me and told me, इसमें कुछ नया नहीं है. तो I said, Sajid bhai, what नया? मैं बोलूं? मैं 30 सेकंड.
मैडम फोटो चाहिए आपको?
30
वहां से खींचने की है, यहाँ पे टाइगर खुद आएगा वहां पे. 2 मिनट बस.
इससे साथ मत खींचना. ये बोली बीच में, तेरा नंबर कट. Kneel down.
आपका टोकन नंबर लास्ट.
Kneel down on the wall.
जी सर.
So then Sajid bhai just told me कि Ahmed, what if in this film we completely change Tiger? तो I said, कैसा change? इसे बाल काट दे. I was like, Sajid bhai, मैं नहीं बोल पाऊंगा. He said, you have to do it, and that's it. And then it was his idea. 2 दिन तो मुझे सोचने में
अच्छा,
लगा.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप पे थी कि आप टाइगर को बताएं.
नहीं,
सर ने मना कर दिया.
He said, this is not working. I want a new Tiger Shroff. How will you give him? How will you give me? I said, I don't know. He said, baal kaat do. It was his idea.
And 5 times he cut it in parts.
I had to go 1 inch. Tiggy happy. 1 inch, 1 inch. And he used to keep looking at his hair guy.
वो तो किस्मत है आप डायरेक्टर हो, वरना जो फिल्म है वो कर रहा है, गलती से गुस्से में हाथ
And
मत.
I used to cut and I used to send Sajid bhai. Sajid bhai used to say, थोड़ा और. Last day I said, zero machine lao, zoom. He was the happiest. And so was Tiggy, and I tell that he looks very good with his short hair, and I think so.
Tiggy, sing a song for them. Sing a song. They are not let anybody speak now.
So you'll have to ask Sajid bhai, how did he think of this to cut Tiggy's
सर
hair?
कैसे? आप तो अलग चाहते थे, बट उसके लंबे बाल, उसके केश, लोगों को उससे इतना प्यार.
Even when, I remember even in Heropanti, he had that long hair.
Yeah.
So I asked him to cut his hair just by 2-3 inch. And I know he will not misbehave in front of me. But on the way out of the office, I thought he was abusing me a little bit. So next time I didn't take a chance. Sara bill jo hai wo maine Ahmed pe phad diya. I said, you only convince him. And every time he used to convince, take a 1-week break, again cut the next layer. Again he used to say, the tiger is very upset, he'll not go below this. I said, 1 inch aur kam kar. Last karte it took about 5 weeks. Yeah.
Vijay sir, I have to get
But
you
I
into
remember
this.
You messaging me after 15 days that it's paid off now. You've got.
Yeah, I was very happy. Yeah. So thank you so much, sir.
It took 15 days. 15 days for him to convince himself.
Vijay sir, I have to get you into this conversation. हमने अभी ट्रेलर देखा and like I'm blown by the trailer, especially the action, especially the way the film is looking. I think वो जो हम शायद कहते हैं ना कि हमने अटेम्प्ट करने की कोशिश की वो साफ दिख रहा है. लेकिन सर, this legend, he tells you कि मैं ये बागी 2 बना रहा हूँ. What convinces you कि ये तो मैंने करना है? Is it just his name? कि साजिद सर बना रहे हैं मतलब यार फिर तो कमाल होगी.
So,
Sometimes we work on names, don't we?
so as Foxstar Studios, today is an extremely special day for us because we're also dealing with a very, very special film. And to answer your question, it all starts with the man first.
Right.
And then he built a terrific first film. And we had this discussion, and he said he's going to make a sequel to it. And then he told us that he's going to have this brilliant cast in it, and the director friend who he and I go back a little bit in time. And it was such an easy answer. And I think the most important thing is that what you've seen today is just a very small glimpse of a fantastic film to follow. So I can assure you guys that you are not going to be disappointed on this film at all. It's going to come and surprise you, and it's a brilliant film.
एक सेकेंड ना. Huh? Should we speak about that?
No,
Should
he was
we-
asking me why did I announce Baghi 3 earlier? I said I wanted to announce Baghi 3 earlier because after seeing the film and the trailer, I wanted to have that confidence before the trailer is out. Because I know after the trailer, it wouldn't suit any purpose. So I just...
Ladies and gentlemen, Baghi 3.
So, bye.
Think I've given it away. Okay, but now let's start with these very silent people who are sitting here, who are armed with their arrows. So let's start the question and answers with members of the media. भैया मेरे लिए luck factor श्री गणेश करेंगे हम with my very good friend आलोक सर. शुरू हो जाएं. आलोक के बिना कुछ शुरू नहीं हो सकता है.
सर बहुत ही बेहतरीन ट्रेलर है. पहले तो उसके लिए मैं आप सबको बधाई देता हूँ. सवाल साजिद भाई से. साजिद भाई, क्या बदलाव देखा है आपने टाइगर में, जब वो इंचेस के साथ हीरोपंथी में ये इंच वो इंच पैर मार रहे हैं वगैरह वगैरह, अब बागी 2 फिर बागी 3?
No, he's getting more committed, more serious. He was always there from day one. But he's understanding the small nuances of filmmaking. And he's being part of script reading, which earlier he was not. He's also part of now the publicity campaign. Now we are trying to include him in everywhere. So he becomes part of from the scratch. So great growth. And it's about 3-4 years. He's got a long way to go.
टाइगर, आपको हमेशा पता होता है कि आपके दर्शक या फैंस एक लेवल अप ही चाहेंगे अगली फिल्म के साथ, तो 1 लेवल अप आपने ट्रेलर में तो दिखा दिया अहमद भाई एंड एवरीबॉडी. इसकी तैयारी किस तरीके की थी और आपने खुद के भीतर क्या काम किया, क्या बदलाव किया?
आई थिंक इसकी तैयारी तो बचपन से चल रही थी, और एक मेरा सपना था टू बी एन एक्शन हीरो. तो दैट बीइंग सेड, आई थिंक चैलेंजिंग था, पर एक पैशन भी है, एक सपना था. तो आई रियली I thought I was being prepared for this since I was a child. और मैं मास्टर शीफू को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि he was instrumental in this film, and from the action training to everything. So I'm very thankful for him. Ahmed sir, people think he's just a choreographer, but after this film, I think everybody are going to be in for a shock. He's a choreographer, he's a director, he's an actor, he's a DOP. Sorry Santa, you're a great DOP also. He's an action choreographer. He's an all-rounder, and I'm so blessed to be working with him. And of course, my father figure in the industry, Sajid sir. When I'm under his wing, I feel unstoppable, and I feel I can, take on an army.
एंड अहमद भाई, बागी
आलोक,
1 के
बाकी भी हैं यार.
बस 2 सवाल मेरे और.
अच्छा, बस 2 और हैं. अच्छा ठीक है.
बागी 1 के बाद प्रेशर था कि उससे बेहतर बागी 2 लानी है, किस तरीके से?
वेल, जब फिल्म स्टार्ट की हमने, तो उस टाइम पे ही द वे साजिद भाई प्लेड लाइक अ एल्डर ब्रदर एंड अ प्रोड्यूसर. He toyed around with me, खेलते रहे, करते रहे, and suddenly he told me, now you're ready, start the film. So वो जो pressure था बागी 1 का, I think he knew it that I'll be living with that. So he just removed it completely off my mind. And actually while I was shooting, I thought I'm making the biggest action film in India. तो mentally मुझे बिल्कुल stress नहीं था कि there's going to be a call कि ये गलत हो गया, हमने ऐसा किया था, इसमें ऐसा नहीं करना. So I just feel it's a blessing, and I took it as a new film, and just he told me, scale, give me action never seen before, and he never asked me after that. So that was the blessing that I had, and I lived it.
विजय सर, पिछले साल फिल्मों का जो भी हश्र हुआ वो बाकी, बट फॉक्स स्टार जिस तरीके से फिल्मों का चयन करता है, कोलैबोरेशन करता है, अभी फिर आपने जुड़वा के बाद साजिद सर के साथ काम किया. कोलैबोरेशन के क्या मायने होते हैं, किन मानकों पे आप किसी फिल्म के साथ जुड़ते हैं?
देखिए, we are very clear that we want to be a very significant part of Bollywood, and हम समझते हैं to achieve this objective, एक तो हम खुद अपनी फिल्में कर रहे हैं like Jolly LLB etc. But more importantly, I think it's about working with the best people in the industry. And I think that's where this relationship with Sajid becomes really special. And then I think it's really exciting when you're working with, you know, the younger talent. And I think this talent represents the future of Bollywood. So come on, guys, you can give them a big.
हो गया आलोक? क्या बात कर रहा है? तू शर्मा रहा है क्या दिशा से सवाल पूछने में? Are you shy? पूछना, सवाल पूछना, मतलब ऐसा we can't like not let you ask a question to Disha.
They'll tell you. This is my reaction.
All right, okay. Questions from the media. Anyone from here? Sharma. Yes, ma'am. I'll give you ma'am.
साजिद सर, आपकी स्टेट में आपसे सवाल है कि आप इतनी जल्दी बागी 3 के अनाउंसमेंट की वजह क्या है? क्योंकि जनरली बॉलीवुड में इस तरह से अनाउंसमेंट तो नहीं किए जाते हैं, तो इसकी वजह क्या है?
नहीं, मुझे लगता है आफ्टर सीइंग द फिल्म एंड द ट्रेलर मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया था एंड आई हैड अ कंटेंट फॉर बागी 3. आई सेड दिस इज द राइट टाइम टू अनाउंस. ट्रेलर के बाद अनाउंस करता तो लगता कि क्योंकि ट्रेलर एक्सेप्टेड है, फिल्म एक्सेप्टेड है. तो जस्ट वांटेड टू टेल माय टीम that I am with you for the next 3-4 years. You all can't leave me for the next 3-4 years. And
एक्टर्स तरसते हैं कि कोई आके हमें ये बोले. साजिद सर खुद सामने से जाके बोल रहे हैं. ऑलराइट मैम, कैन वी आस्क? यस, कैन यू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन? आई विल गिव यू माइक.
Actually, I have 2 questions. My first is, in terms of the story, when you talk about franchises, if you say Baghi 2, Baghi 3, is the central character the same, or is a lot changing in terms of the story?
It's just the name is same. 2 names, Baghi and Ronnie. It's a complete different film. You're coming in not only for action and not only for great visuals, but definitely a very good story. So it's a story film. It's completely different. So we thought it's a sequel, but it's got nothing to do with part 1. So it's a complete new film.
And also in action films, which have a very strong male character, oftentimes the female counterpart may not have as significant a role in terms of the action overriding everything. But for you, obviously this is a major role for you, Disha. So what was it that you felt you were able to bring to the part?
Well, I would like to thank Sajid sir, of course, because he gave me this opportunity. And we all know that he has launched some of the biggest stars. So I'm really thankful to him. And it's a beautiful story. Ahmed sir has literally spoon-fed me everything from day one. And, you know, he knows the character more than me, for sure. And he has told me everything, how to perform, including the songs. I was not that great. And he's a brilliant actor, as Tiger said. He's a great actor. He's an all-rounder. So thanks to him, whatever you'll see in the film, my performance, whatever has come out, I feel, you know, I've not done many films, but I feel this is my best performance, and all because of him, because he has actually, you know, like forced me to bring the best out of me.
Thank you, Disha.
Disha, I have a question.
Could I just
मतलब-
add something to
Yes, please.
For Disha? You know, she's ये एक्शन का कोई Thank you.
अबे सवाल का जवाब देना स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया.
Yes, exactly. No, honestly, ये जो ट्रेलर में जो एक्शन था, इसका कोई मकसद नहीं होता अगर दिशा नहीं होती इस फिल्म में. Because at the end of the day, he's a rebel for love, and the rebels for love. So I mean, in the core of the film, the story, it's a love story. The action is just a decoration, and I promise you that in this film.
Okay. So the question I wanted to ask Disha is, you know, जब IPL हम देखते हैं तो उस टाइम पे जो ओनर्स हैं वो भी सडनली कहते हैं यार हमें भी थोड़ा सा खेलना है. So they get onto the ground. Now, if I was a part of this film on any level, if I knew that Tiger was shooting his action sequences, चाहे scene हो या ना हो, I would be there. Were you there on the days probably आपकी shoot नहीं थी, just to watch him do this madness?
Maybe 1 or 2. I have seen him. I see his training. He's so good. He inspires me every day because of him. I've started doing a little bit of action that I do, and I think he is everybody's inspiration, especially the youth. And the way He's very hardworking. So the thing is when he's doing action, it's a different frame of mind, and I think you should let the actor breathe and have his own space, because I don't want to get hurt.
All right, more questions.
दिशा
किधर से एक सेकंड पहले अपना हाथ ऊपर कीजिए. जी मैम, पूछिए.
दिशा आपको कितना पसंद आया टाइगर का ये लुक?
बहुत पसंद आया, but I also miss.
किसी भी सवाल का सही जवाब नहीं मिलने वाला ना, ऐसा लाइक वहां से अगर ओ आएगा तो.
But I also miss his long hair.
Tiger and the Sean sets, because we fairly don't get to know that as well.
Surprisingly, they were very matured enough. They came in separate cars. When she used to be there, he used to not be there. When he used to be there, she used to not be there. And they became Ronnie and Neha for us on set. And that was, I think it comes within you if you want to make it big in life. Tiger, I definitely know. He's so damn hardworking. You can take my quote on that. Like, very few actors amongst these are like Tiger. If you want him to do an action sequence, he's ready. You want a bare body shot, he's ready in next 10 minutes. He doesn't say, "Mujhe 7 din do, 10 din do." He doesn't say that. Dance, he will never say, "Arey yaar, ye kitna heavy dance, main kaise karunga?" Tiger, can you jump from here? Says, "I can't jump from here. Can I jump from there?" So he is a guy who is actually a hero, a superhero without cape.
Tiger.
सर ये कोट है, ये जो आपने लाइन बोली है ना लास्ट वाली, द टाइगर इज द सुपर हीरो विदाउट द केप. मिल गया कोट. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Somebody is already typing that out, I think. Okay.
Tiger here.
We'll take two more questions, guys.
Tiger, Sajid is known for many big launches in the industry, including you and Kriti. And now Disha is getting the full-fledged role in Bagi 2. So how do you feel about it?
Well, like I said, I'm blessed to be under his wing again, and I hope he continues to, take me under his wing and guide me, because I don't think I'll ever grow up for him. I'll still be that same kid who walked into his office for Heropanti. But as for Disha, I know Disha for sure is in the best hands in the industry right now, and the way, the liberty Sajid sir has given, us through our script and because of our director, the way she has performed in this film, I think is phenomenal. And we're, very thankful that we've had such great mentors by our corner. And of course, Kriti is doing fantastically well as well. So I'm very proud of her.
Tiger, which is your most favorite dialogue from the entire film that you remember like really well? In character, bro. In character.
Ronnie. Well, इसमें कोई पंचलाइन तो नहीं है, पर काफी सारे
वार्म अप वाला बहुत सही लगा मुझे. कैसे बोलते हो?
ये जो तेरा टॉर्चर है ना, वो मेरा वार्म अप है.
All right.
It's embarrassing.
One last question.
Hi, Tiger.
किधर से?
Hi, right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Vaishali Chandra from Alpha World.
Hi, ma'am.
My question is, with every action movie, how do you make sure that you bring something new to the table?
That's not my job, ma'am. That's the people.
As an actor.
As an actor.
Yeah.
For me, it's more important to focus on my internal expression and my, external expressions. I have to basically act out and convince the audience that I'm tough, As for the choreography, that's, I leave that up on, the director in this case, and our action consultant, Shifuji, and of course, Kecha and Ram Lakshman, who are the action masters of our film. So we've had a great team, so I really left it up on them. I just had to be in character while doing the action, that's all.
Is it mentally and physically draining as well?
It's the most draining, yeah. It's more mentally draining than physically draining. And it's very frustrating. A lot of you think that I'm a very calm person, a very, soft-spoken person. But when I'm doing action, there's a shift that takes place. And that mahal is very different for me, like, because your adrenaline is so high, because I want to give you guys the best show possible, I'm doing everything at full speed. And if I end up hurting someone, then, it's not a nice scenario for me, so.
Thank you so much.
Sajid.
क्या करें बताओ. चलो ठीक है 3 और देते हैं तुम्हें. हाँ, लेकिन ढंग का सवाल पूछना.
हाँ सर, little off track but as usual.
पूछिए.
Even Akshay Kumar is very eager to come on board.
थोड़ा सा पास लेके आओ माइक को. थोड़ा सा
Can't you hear me properly?
No, hi.
Now?
Yeah, now.
So even Akshay Kumar is very eager to come on board for Houseful for Sir. So any comment you like to come on?
भाई आप गलत थिएटर में बैठे हो.
Sajid sir knows it well.
There's a lot of franchise coming. Let's keep it on Baghi.
Yes.
And one good thing I want to say, this film was supposed to release on 27th April. And I spoke to Ahmed and the team, Tiger and all, and they said, sir, it's not possible. 27th April is too early. We'll be on the edge because there are VFX and a lot of action. Please do something. Don't come on 27th April. I said, okay, give me some time. And after 2 days, I said, okay, you all win. We don't come on 27th April. We come on 30th March. So these guys are working 18 hours. He's got fever. He's got issues with his all injuries. But the whole team, my DOP, he's a young boy, all my team, Shifuji, all these people are working day and night to get this film on 30th March, which is Good Friday. We had in last 2 years before release, 2 states, which did wonderful. I hope this film crosses all those numbers.
बड़ी स्वीटली मैम ने हाथ ऊपर किया जैसे क्लास में. पूछिए आपका सवाल. माइक की जरूरत है? ओके.
Hi, Sajid, Tiger and Disha, Renuka from Bombay Times. Tiger, with so many action films coming up and you kind of leading the way, for the youngsters, do you see yourself being limited by the genre, or do you want to do something else in future as well? Or is this what kind of keeps you going?
Honestly, ma'am, I'm blessed to be given an identity so early on in my career. When people think Tiger Shroff, 2 things come to their head, and that's for me, that's an achievement already. But that being said, it's like I said, ek sapna tha to be an action hero, and I think such ho gaya wo. So I'm very, very, very blessed to be in my shoes right now. And right now I'm just playing to my strengths. And if there's an offbeat role, which there are a few, which I don't want to say right now. Yeah, as of now, I'm very happy to answer your question. So I don't feel it's limited. Thank you.
And one for Ahmed, does he get very difficult to work with when he gets into that action mode? Because when someone has so much passion for something, how was the equation on the set?
Yeah, he's actually very dangerous because if there's a scene in the film, he has to run. So he doesn't see what is there. He runs. So at times, कोई खड़ा है, कोई चीज़ रखी है, बाल्टी है, डब्बा है, table है. He just runs through. So I have to send my assistant to run once and move things. Because he says, I can't run softly. So he's like, if he has to punch, he goes full on. So we have to tell that fight that guy, don't get scared. Because that fighter is so scared, the way you saw that he does, and he's got that control, he stops right there. So fighter for a second, you tell him, don't worry, nahi lagega. So there are certain things which he doesn't have control and certain things which he's completely like Master Bruce, I feel. And at the same time, just don't want to forget my DOP Santha, who's worked very hard. It's his first film. And I think he's done a brilliant job. And my production designers, Sandeep and Lakshmi, my EP, Dipti, everybody has given their life. Adnan, my entire direction team. Love you guys, man. But the production team, Rakesh ji, everybody, Shifuji, all of y'all.
Sir, किसी के पड़ी है लेकिन like 100 में से 99 must have not connected. एक गलती से connect हुआ किसी से. कोई अगर सामने आ गया जब बुक का पढ़ रहा था.
जहाँ तक मुझे याद है नहीं. I don't know. What do you think?
भगवान. Okay. अच्छा बच गया वो. The last thing you want is Tiger Shroff to come after you seeking revenge. Okay. Yes. Last question. किधर?
Hello, Tiger.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Nikita from Zoom. There were reports that said that you're also going to be directing Kick 2 very soon, and no. So can you just clear up the air about that?
No, it's cleared. I'm starting next January.
Okay.
And release in Christmas 2019.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas to you too. All right. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Of course.
I'm left. Hello.
Just
Hello.
one thing.
Yeah, I'm left.
Just want to say thanks to Randeep Huda, Mr. Manoj Bajpayee, Pratik Babbar, Deepak Dobriyal and Darshan Kumar. They have really helped the film in terms of performance.
Two more people I would like just to wave out to you. One is Master Shifuji, please.
Shifuji.
Sir, आइए ना.
Even
he was in Baghi 1 as a Guruji. Very important. And one more person who's never come in the limelight. I've never called him. We never had the opportunity. He's a person actually who got first time Tiger to my office. That's Vikram. Please, Vikram. He was a person. Get up and show your hand. He's the person who got. See, he's always behind the camera, but he's the one first he introduced. Thank you.
Emma sir, आप कुछ बोलने वाले थे?
I had to help but thank my cast. That's
All right, lovely. So, members of the media, I'm going to step off the stage. We'll take the mics, and of course, now the opportunity for a photo. सबको एक साथ, सबको एक ग्रुप में ना. Okay. Chair हटा देते हैं. I'll take the mics. So we'll do one thing. Maybe you can start from looking from the right. आराम से you can go towards the left. सबके एक साथ photo. Okay, so सुनो. They'll start looking from the right and they will pan towards the left. So sari photo, please. Huh? Okay. Yogi. Boggies, are you ready? Okay. So, like Tiger promised, and thanks for being silent during the questions, Tiger and Disha now going to take pictures with you. We have the lights back on. And can we please clear the area in front of the stage?
ये जो तेरा टॉर्चर है ना, वो मेरा वार्म अप है.
All right.
It's embarrassing.
One last.
हॅलो कोण फोटोग्राफर फोटो चांगला होईल ना एक मॅडम आला 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 सदाब कुठे सदाबला पकड तुझा निकालने तक लेना निकालो ना लो सामने भी तो दिख रही है ड्राइवर को बोलना ये वाला दरवाजा खोल नहीं इधर अरे इधर कोई तो बैठा है वो आ रहा है वो पंखा बंद होना तो आएगा नहीं कोई बात नहीं बाजू का खुला तो बहुत अच्छा वो बाजू का खुला तो पोपट वो साइड बुला टाइगर पहिला इधर थोड़ा आगे आगे अरे हटो ये अरे हटो ना यार ये गोप्रो अरे ये गोप्रो ए बस बाजू में कराओ ए अरे छाता निकाल रे छाता हट छतरी हटाओ ए बांध साइड प्लीज साइड अरे सर थोड़ा हेलीकॉप्टर के पास अरे छाता हट जाओ अरे दादा सर बाद में अंदर ये भागी अंदर अरे हेलीकॉप्टर दिशाला पाहिजे गाइस आराम से थोड़ा पीछे जाओ ऐसे थोड़ी होता है यार सब आगे पीछे जाओ मत आओ यार रुको अरे वहाँ रुका दे यार सबको जाने मत दे किसी को भी अंदर अरे आप आगे हो जाओ अरे फोटो चाहिए सब लोग पीछे हो जाओ अरे पीछे हटो ना सबको
थोड़ा नीचे हो जाइए,
नीचे बैठो, नीचे बैठो यार, नीचे बैठो,
नीचे बैठो, नीचे नीचे
नीचे खाली बस। थोड़ा बैक पीछे हो गया लो। टाइगर 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 हाथ करना नीचे बस खाली बस। गाइस 1 सेकंड प्लीज थोड़ा आराम से खाली बस खाली बस। सर 2 मिनट मांगो ना। कैंसिल कैंसिल। अरे बॉम्बे वो साइड का बंद। अरे ये भी कर रहा है। मत करो रे। सबको पीछे कर लो सबको। चलो भाई। अरे यार अरे भाई हटो ना सामने से। अरे आप लोग क्लियर हो जाओ। अरे एक मिनट सामने से हटो। प्रॉपर पीछे ऊपर। हाँ बस पीछे। अरे यार जरा पीछे पार्टी वो लाड जरा भाई मैम यार बॉम्बे टाइम्स भाई हो गया तो 1 मिनट ना हिलवा टाइगर यहाँ पे। अरे यार मोबाइल हटा है ना प्लीज। लेफ्ट टू राइट सामने दिशा सामने ले हाथ हटा भाई कौन किसके हाथ है। अरे वेट रे नेट नहीं टाइगर सामने दिशा सामने। मैम एक थैंक यू। अभी बाहर निकाल रहे हैं। हाँ बाहर फोटो करना इसके सामने। पीछे लगा पीछे जा। टाइगर सामने मैडम 2 मिनट रुक जाओ। 2 मिनट के बाद सब फोटो मिलेगा। फोटो येतच नाही। बाबा पीछे अच्छा नहीं होगा। थोड़ा पीछे बोलो। थोड़े और पीछे दिशा जी टाइगर मैम यहाँ मैम दिशा जी टाइगर जी
नो फोन
एक मिनट सर दोनों आए थोड़ा आप आगे आइए ना सर, आप दिख नहीं रहे हो। हाँ आप आगे आइए दोनों सर, चलेगा क्या? मैडम हाँ चले बस नाम लिया मैडम सर थैंक यू सर। कितना इलाका है अरे सिक्योरिटी हटाओ, सिक्योरिटी, अरे यार सिक्योरिटी, अरे सिक्योरिटी हटाओ उधर से। बाउंसर अरे अजिंक्य मागे ना। डोर खोल के अरे वो साइड हो जाता। अरे साइड वर्टिकल किधर मार दी टाइगर को। अरे आजा यार बच्चे फ्रेम में चला तू लेना किधर आ रहे थे फ्रेम में यार तेल ही लगाया तो तेल ही लगाया उसी लिए बोल रहा हूं मैं आगे से साइलेंस है टाइगर एक्शन चल टाइगर सर थोड़ा नीचे दिशा थोड़ा आगे बढ़ो दिशा टाइगर एक्शन एक्शन टाइगर थोड़ा अरे बोलना एक पैर उधर देने की अरे आगे निकलो टाइगर आगे आगे ये साइड उधर वो साइड उधर अरे वो साइड उधर हां रेडी रेडी अरे क्या कर रहे हो फटी गया एक सेकंड क्रू का है वो वन मोर टाइगर ये साइड में बोलना वो साइड होना इसी डायरेक्शन में टाइगर एक हेलीकॉप्टर उठा के ये साइड में अरे क्या यार सर गो पे वाला आगे अब आगे अजिंक्य आगे ना यार आगे जा मैम यहाँ पे सर अरे उधर से बोले जंप मारे टाइगर उधर से जंप सॉरी अच्छा इधर उतारेगा तो अच्छा वो भी नहीं आएगा धूल मिट्टी भी नहीं उड़ेगा ये होगा भागी किधर भागी भागी